Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how trained dogs and artificial intelligence could help solve India's cancer screening challenge by making early cancer detection faster, easier, and more affordable. What makes this breakthrough especially remarkable is the simple idea behind an entirely new way of screening. Can dogs smell cancer before humans know they have it? A Bengaluru startup believes the answer is yes, and a newly published peer-reviewed study is giving scientific weight to a claim that sounds more like science fiction than medicine. Researchers from Bengaluru-based Dognosis Biosciences have reported that trained dogs, working alongside an artificial intelligence-powered analytical system, were able to detect multiple types of cancer from breath samples with more than 90% sensitivity and specificity. The findings were published in the Journal of Clinical Oncology, one of the world's leading cancer research journals. To find out more about the diagnostic process, WION spoke with Dognosis. Here's all you need to know. Dognosis's study involved 3,275 participants across 6 hospitals in Karnataka. Notably, in the final test cohort of 1,502 participants, they achieved 90.8% sensitivity and 91.3% specificity, with a receiver operating characteristic AUC of 0.962. The sensitivity for early-stage disease, stage Y to 2, was 90.6% and remained consistent across major cancer types. Put simply, the dogs were able to spot cancer in roughly 9 out of 10 patients, while also correctly identifying 9 out of 10 healthy participants as cancer-free. Their accuracy stayed largely consistent even in early-stage cancers, when the disease is often hardest to detect. In India, due to the high diagnosis costs, only a small percentage of people undergo cancer screening. Many of those who undergo screening do so at later stages, when treatment options are limited. In such cases, pocket-friendly diagnosis using dogs could be the difference between life and death. The startup insists that its long-term goal is not to replace conventional cancer diagnostics, but to create an inexpensive first-line screening tool that can identify people at higher risk and direct them towards further medical testing. We want to operate as a risk stratification tool, Diagnosis representative Manal Shakil told WION. Our end goal is not to replace traditional screening methods. We want to identify people who may be at high risk so they can undergo follow-up testing. Dognosis said that it envisions the technology as a population-level screening tool that could reach remote and underserved regions where access to advanced diagnostics remains limited. What we aim to build is a population-based mass screening tool that can be deployed in low-income settings and even the most remote areas because it doesn't require heavy infrastructure, it said. In India, the average total cost for a comprehensive cancer diagnosis ranges from 20,000 to 65,000 rupees. By comparison, canine-backed screening is expected to cost about 1/10 of current market rates, Diagnosis representative Srishti A. told WION. She added that future deployments through government partnerships could potentially be offered free to end users. The company has already begun discussions with public health authorities. According to Shakil, Dognosis is in advanced talks with Punjab's National Health Mission and is also engaging with officials in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh regarding pilot deployments. The study relied on 16 trained dogs, including beagles, a Labrador Indie mix, and a Dutch Shepherd-Belgian Malinois mix. Researchers found that diagnostic performance remained largely consistent, regardless of which dog evaluated the sample. Like all screening tools, the system is not perfect. Shakil acknowledged that there have been false positives, where participants were flagged despite not having cancer. She also revealed that follow-up checks identified 2 participants who were initially missed by the test, but were later diagnosed with cancer several months afterwards. Despite that, the company believes the technology could help address one of India's biggest healthcare challenges, detecting cancer before symptoms become severe. When cancer is detected early, treatment outcomes are much better, and the financial burden is reduced, Shakil noted. One of the biggest goals we have is to make screening reach more and more people. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.